Now we're going to go on to this one. Now, this one is really, really fun. Really, really fun. And I know some of you are going to say, oh, but you forgot this, or oh, you forgot that. I tried. Only human. But I got a lot. Are you ready? I don't know which way is the easiest way to show you. I'll show. Oh, this one comes with the magnet. Whoa! Some of them do, some of them don't. You never know. But our magnet sheets are amazing. You guys, look at that. They're amazing. So you are getting a magnet sheet. Fantastic. This one really should have had adhesive sheets. I'm surprised I didn't do that. But you are getting, and now it's not going to look like anything, all of these. And let's go to 3. So I realize they're backwards, but you'll just have to kind of use your imagination. You are getting, oh, hang on. Let me show you a couple of them so you can see, because it's important to see. So you're getting grandpa. These are names. These are family names. You're getting son. You're getting mom-in-law, or just mom, or son-in-law, right? You're getting grandma. You're getting yes, you are getting for my aunt. You're getting our daughter. Our daughter. You're the sweetest. Yes, you're getting those also. You're getting all of this, the words. You're the sweetest niece. Then you're also getting grandpa. You're the sweetest. Look how cute that is. Now, what names are you getting? You're getting mom, dad, son. For my son, for my dad, for my mom. You're also getting the and sign. You're getting niece. You're also getting the word our, so our niece. You're getting in-law, aunt, sister, grandma, grand. So you could say grandmom. Some people want to say grandmom. You're getting daughter, brother. You're getting grandpa, nephew, uncle, and you're the sweetest. So you can say you're the sweetest daughter, you're the sweetest granddaughter, you're the sweetest brother, you're the sweetest uncle, or you could get for my son, for my sister, for my aunt, for my mom, for my dad. Yeah. So you're going to have a lot of options on here. A lot of options on here. Now, how many are you getting total? Name-wise, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 that have like family names. Now, this is an unusual die set. I honestly don't think I've ever seen a die set that is this, all the family names, which is really fun because sometimes you really want to personalize the project you're making. Please also give us a thumbs up while you're at it, and give us a heart and give us a share, if you will, please. We're going to do a contest in just a second. And the more likes and shares and hearts that we get, the more prizes we give away. So make sure you give us a thumbs up and a heart. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button, and also the notification. We go live at least 3 times a week, and we have lots of fun and lots of videos. So just saying. Okay, Emily says she's liked it. Thank you. The family names are great. And you know what? You don't see them very often. You really, really do not see them very often. And that's important. So I know you guys are giving the likes and the hearts in the chat, but you have to do it under the videos, or on Facebook. I think it's under the videos also. Do it under the video, not in the chat, because we can't count the chat ones, but Facebook and YouTube will count the thumbs up, and Instagram will count the thumbs ups and the hearts and all that good stuff. So isn't that cute? I know. You're the sweetest niece. I love these. I love these. You're going to have fun with these. So that is the whole collection.